Welcome to this video on turning a vintage radio into a modern Bluetooth speaker. We will merge analog history with digital technology to create a unique audio device. Vintage radios are silent relics of industrial design. Upcycling them gives these beautiful pieces daily utility, moving beyond the fading AM airwaves. We recommend modern conversion over pure restoration. Pure restoration involves dangerous high voltage. Conversion is safer, offering low voltage, high-fidelity audio and Bluetooth connectivity. There are four main paths for conversion. They range from low-skill component swaps to high-skill gut and replace methods, balancing technical skill with original integrity. The gut and replace method maximizes performance. Removing the original heavy chassis and glass tubes significantly reduces weight, increases volume, and improves energy efficiency. The trade-off is discarding historical components. Non-destructive methods preserve history. You plug a Bluetooth receiver into the original phono port. This bypasses the AM tuner, allowing the original tube amplifier to process the audio, retaining that warm, vintage sound. Match the modern amplifier to the cabinet size. For large rooms, use a TPA 3116D2. For a middle-tier radio, the ZKMT21 is a good choice. The PAM 8403 is suitable for micro-conversions. Phase 1 is discharge and clean. First, unplug the radio. Use a voltmeter to verify zero charge on large capacitors. Finally, vacuum out any hazardous insulation and dust. Phase 2. Extract the brain, save the face. Remove the four bottom chassis screws and slide out the heavy metal electronics. Remember to always save the original knobs for authenticity. Phase 3 is to modernize the acoustics. Replace brittle paper cones with modern full-range drivers. Line the empty wooden box with acoustic foam. This tightens the bass and eliminates internal echo. Phase 4 is wiring for authentic interaction. To avoid relying on your smartphone for volume, desolder the original volume potentiometer. Wire the modern power supply through the original switch so the physical click turns the unit on. Phase 5. Safely illuminate the dial. Original incandescent bulbs generate heat that can melt plastics. Install warm white LEDs to mimic the vacuum tube glow without the heat. Wire the LEDs to trigger upon Bluetooth pairing. You must solve power and connectivity constraints. For DC power, hide a 12 to 24 volt laptop brick or use 18,650 batteries with a battery management system. Metal cabinets, acting as a Faraday cage, require an external antenna for the best signal range. The total estimated cost for this project is between $75 and $225. This includes the radio cabinet, amplifier board, power supply, speaker, LED lighting, and miscellaneous hardware. By upcycling, we preserve analog history for the future. We create functional art and ensure that these beautiful pieces seamlessly run digital technology, reducing electronic waste.